American boy. Yeah, this is the land of the free. Many have died on that beach. Many have given their life for the country so you could be let off the leash. Preach, I'ma go get it, no breaks. I'ma hustle, forget the snowflakes. This American muscle, I carry the muzzle. If you don't work, there is no cake. Hey, American boy till I'm dead and gone. Till they bury me and I'm set in stone. I'ma lead the fight, I don't need the right. I'ma preach Christ, I'ma let it be known. This is the home of the brave. I'm not alone in my zone on the wave. The strong survive, and we all on the rise. If you beta, you gon' be a slave. I'm willing to die on this hill. I will not lie, man, I gotta be real. I'm having the time of my life, I'm aligning with Christ, so I don't got be popping them pills. So stand strong, get thick skin, put your pants on and stop whimpering. Man, I'm gung-ho, my chips are in. All-American boy, are you listening? God put me in this country, I'ma testify. I'ma fight the devil, I won't let him slide in the country till I die. I was lost and looking for a better life. Christ came in that day, I met the light. Now I'm looking to the sky, and I ain't gonna change up for the foolery. And I'ma follow God, become a new of me. And I'ma be a rock and you ain't moving me. I'm just a homegrown American boy.
I don't know. I just don't know how people do YouTube. Like, it's so hard.
I mean, I do it, but I'm not good at it, as you can see. This thing's sick.
How you doing, sir?
Good, man. How are you feeling today? With the popcorn machine?
I'm scared of the bank, but it'll be alright.
You'll be fine. If I made it, dude, you got it. You're way better than me. So, anyways, you're probably just gonna get up on the wall and kill it. Hi, lady. And we got the mullet machine over there. I think this is a better layout than last time.
Seems a lot longer.
It's a lot longer. It's more fun.
Randy, right, man? I thought that was you. I couldn't tell. I want to make sure. That's finally you. What's your name? Show it. Look.
How you doing, sir?
Good, man.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Are we getting some ride-alongs?
Yeah, I'm gonna be tandeming too. I'm just going.
Let me know. I'll bring my helmet.
All right.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
My favorite Beamer. in the garage. Some say he is the most interesting man in the world.
Oh, and they would be right.
Look at that mullet.
We have POV.
Yeah, you guys all didn't drive last time. What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm ready
You got
for
a Hero
this.
9? Hell yeah.
Yeah, boy. How you doing, sir?
How are you, man?
I'm hating life. I need my car. I know. I need it. I didn't do the work myself.
Dude, come on, man. I wanted to see you out here.
I told him he needs to give me one of those fancy borrows so I can put in mine. But,
There you go. A Barra.
He said his traction control kicked on.
Yeah, he initiated and cut him out.
Sheesh. 10 feet.
Well, I'm finally headed home from Freedom Factory. It's a little early. I gotta meet the lady for dinner. It was a pretty good event. It sucked because it rained a little bit for like 20-30 minutes. The cars were having a hard time trying to keep grip, which from my experience, the first drift night that we had a couple months back, the track was slippery without the water. So the rain made it a little harder. So drivers were having a little bit of a harder time. I got to meet Eli from Vlog Creations on YouTube. He was a pretty fucking cool guy. That was a plus. I got to meet my buddy Joey, Joey Bag of Donuts on Instagram. She wants the Z on Instagram, which is the homie Griffin with the Corvette. He drove all the way down here from Missouri just to drift at the Freedom Factory. Awesome guy. Also has a YouTube channel. And of course, Sean Olin, which he's like a big Instagram star now because he jumped his C5 in Sand Dune. So that's pretty cool too. And I got to meet him in person. So I'm getting to meet all the Corvette guys that we see on Instagram. And of course they meet at the best place to drift at, which is the Freedom Factory. So it was fun, even though I didn't get to drive. Definitely was great meeting the homies from the other states that came down. And you know, just always a fun time at the Freedom Factory. So until next time.